This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching NVDA and your target application. Focus is everything. Once NVDA is running, switch to a reliable speech voice and test quick navigation, headings, links, and form fields. Make sure NVDA logging is active so you can capture errors later. Use keyboard focus, Tab, Shift plus Tab, Enter, and NVDA plus T to hear title information. These first steps confirm the environment is consistent, which helps you reproduce issues and saves time when you move to detailed testing. Now dive into the complex middle. Systematically exercise controls and area. Open the elements list and scan for role mismatches. NVDA communicates role and state, so listen for inconsistencies. In Browse versus Focus mode, check dynamic changes and live region announcements after actions. For forms, tab through every control to confirm labels, required states, and that validation messages are read. Once done, record which patterns fail consistently, so you can reproduce and prioritize fixes with developers. Finish by running regression passes and saving logs. Consistency across runs proves a fix. You should document step-by-step reproduction, the expected NVDA output, and the actual spoken text so developers can act. If speech is missing or wrong, restart NVDA first, then toggle browse mode and retest. Make sure add-ons aren't interfering and check the UI tree with developer tools. If problems persist, include NVDA log excerpts and exact keystrokes in your bug report to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.